Yellow viewers, welcome to our channel, Bernard Farms. If you are a poultry farmer and you want to be successful in poultry farming, you are on the right channel. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share our videos. So today we want to talk about, if you want to be a successful poultry farmer, what you need to do. So number one, passion. For you to be successful, you must be passionate of what you want to do. Animal rearing and farming as a whole need passion for you to grow to the next level. You must love what you are doing. So I'm saying, if you don't have passion on keeping chickens, sorry, you can't make it in poultry farming. Why? Because lack of passion is your first step to your failure. Yes, your chances are very high for you to fail on your project. Okay, let's move on to the next one, management. On management, good management system on your chicken farm is greater rewards for you as a farmer. So on management, we are going to look on biosecurity, water management, brooding, litter management, feed management. Let's start with feed management. On feed management, you must give your birds good quality feed. Never give your birds low quality feed. In the sense that you want to gain more profit, so you now tamper with the quality of the feed. It will affect your bird, it will cost your production. So make sure your feed contains the required nutrients for good growth of your chickens. And also make sure your birds has easy access to feed. Your feed troughs must be enough for all your chickens. Let's look on biosecurity. Good biosecurity practices helps to keep your chickens healthy. 1, you must fence your farm. 2, have a well dip to disinfect all vehicles coming to your farm. 3, have a foot dip. This is to avoid diseases from outside your farm. You must take biosecurity more serious. It is crucial to successful poultry production. The next one is brooding. Brooding is a critical stage. If you fail on brooding, you have failed the whole project. At this stage, the birds need more care on feed, drinking water, and to monitor the temperatures and the brooder. If the temperature is too low, the birds will get cold and die. And if the heat is too much, the chicks will suffocate and die. So the temperature needs to be monitored all the time. And let's move on to the next one, litter management, which acts as a bedding for the birds. You must have good quality litter which is dry, because wet litter can serve as breeding ground for potential pathogens. And as a result, it leads to diseases. And the last one on management is water management. In water management, what you must know is that water is the most critical nutrient for poultry. And remember, drinking water accounts for 70 to 80% of the bird's daily drinking needs. And the drinkers must be clean. And the water must be clean as well. When you do that, you will be successful in poultry production. Thank you guys. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. See you on the next one. Peace, love and light.